friends, it's Kelly, and I have another layout for Collection Obsession using the Simple Stories Baking Spirits Bright Kit, and I'm using this sketch from the Page Maps 2023. And so this layout is about my sweet little puppy dog whose name is Mutsy/Bo. My husband has kind of renamed him to Mutsy's, and that's what he's always called him, and the name has stuck. So his official name on his birth certificate is Bo, but he's called Mutsy 99% of the time. And so anyway, this layout is about him, and he was fresh from the groomers, and they always put these cute little seasonal scarves on them, and his was this really cute blue with snowflakes on it. So that's kind of led me to choose the papers that I did, because these all have snowflakes on them, and plus they were, a couple of these were scraps. So the red and the lighter blue, those were both scraps that I had used previously. So I'm getting some of those scraps used up too, which makes me happy, because I'm kind of on a quest right now to use up lots of scraps. And so I am just adding some foam adhesive to both of the photos and popping them up. This is some foam dimensional adhesive that I found on Amazon, and it's adhesive on both sides, and I really like it because it has a pretty thin profile, so it's just perfect for photos, and it's easier to use than all the strips, the tape dimensional foam. So it's just a little easier to use and makes your pictures a little more stable. So I'm using some of the ephemera pieces from this collection to embellish. I'm looking for, I know I want it to be real layered, and I also know that I want to use one of these thicker titles for the title. And I try not to overthink things, but sometimes when I do that, when I'm just trying to make quick decisions, like I did here with the tag and the joy thing, I end up moving things around. So that's why I don't add a ton of adhesive, because I know that I will probably be moving things around. And I'm the kind of scrapbooker that I do not like. And some people can lay it out like so perfectly and not glue anything down first. I can't do that. I'm too clumsy. I don't know what the reason is, but I watch like Janet from RTS whenever she lays everything out, and it's all perfect. It looks like a completed layout, but there's no adhesive to it. Like, I don't know how she does that, because whenever I try to lay stuff out, everything shifts and moves around and makes me nuts. So I just add a little bit of adhesive, and then at the end of my layouts, at the end of when it's done, I'll add glue or more adhesive to like corners that are lifting and that sort of thing. And so I'm using some of the gingerbread from this collection, and not that it makes any sense, because my dog and gingerbread really don't have anything to do with it doesn't really have anything to do with my dog. So they're just cute, and it doesn't have to make sense, right? And so I'm just adding some of the tags, and I'm cutting off parts of it just to make it fit better. And then there is this chipboard piece that said "so sweet," and I just added that on top of the journaling card, which covered the part that said something about Santa, which I was okay with covering that up, because this really has nothing to do with Santa. Not that it has anything to do with gingerbread either, but you know. So I've been keeping these photo corners on my desk, trying to get some of them used, and I've done pretty well. So I got 4 used on this layout. And then on the sticker sheet and on the thicker sheet, there are just little embellishments like hearts and stars and things like that I'm going to use to just fill in some little blank areas, just to add a little more interest and color to both of my clusters. And that is it. I added some twine off camera and a couple more stickers, and word stickers, but I do that sometimes. I'm like, oh, this isn't quite done. So be sure to go check out all the other people participating. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you so much. Bye.